Mobile phone signal detector circuit. Detect cell phone signals easily. In this video, I will guide you through creating a mobile phone signal detector circuit using LM358 op-amp. First, gather components like LM358, resistors, capacitors, and an LED or buzzer for indication. Follow step-by-step instructions as we assemble the circuit on a breadboard for easy understanding. Follow the on-screen diagram to connect all components in the circuit. Create connections step by step. After installing all components on the breadboard, connect jumper wires, according to the on-screen diagram. After completing all wiring, double-check the circuit to ensure proper placement. Apply 5 volts and begin testing the project. Thank you for watching the video.